Ebony.
Bruh.
This video is gonna be me trying out a TikTok video, a natural hair hack. So they say. I have chosen one video, and the video is by Polo Kang. Now, she's doing a braid out, and you guys know me and braid outs, they're not really my thing. I'm more of a twist out girl, but I'm gonna kind of take a look at what she's doing and, you know, see if my hair can have the same gorgeousness that hers does have. Now, I haven't watched it in a while, so we're gonna watch it again together. Ready?
Check me out, check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
Oh! Okay, Kang! She had like that gorgeous, like fluffy braid out, the kind that I want. Her braid out was so voluminous, and let me just tell you, I have had experience with braid outs, and I don't get the greatest results, okay? So, last time I did this, I did like 6 braids. It looks like she did 4. She used some type of styler. She used some water, so her hair was damp when she did it. And it looked like her braid out wasn't as defined as mine's typically is. So, I heard myself say mine's. Childhood's coming back. Mine typically is. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have what, 8 twists in my hair right now. So I'm going to split them up. Lord, I'm excited. Oh, maybe I should just start from this side since those twists are barely visible. Here, my hair is damp. There's nothing else on my hair. It is detangled. And so I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler, and it has purple dye all over it because I just have my hair purple. If you missed that video, I will share that with you as well. So I made sure this time my hair is more damp than wet. And it's kind of been air drying for a while. It smells so good. This is an oldie but a goodie. This is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is what it looks like. I'm almost done. I have plenty more products. So my thing is use everything up. I hate having like a million open, partly empty products. Like, it just grinds my gears. Oh Lord, for real, you just gonna fall like that? I have melanin hair oil, and I'm just going to add this on top. So I've done leave-in, I've done styler, moisturizer. So I've done leave-in, moisturizer or styler, and oil on top. I'm gonna keep it very, very simple. Putting this on damp hair. We're gonna get these edges. I don't typically do length checks, but you know. Also, shout out to Cheesy. She's here on YouTube, Natural Hair. She does TikTok reactions to like 4C hair. They're hilarious. I really like that. I kind of wanted to do my own thing, which is like actually try some of the hacks. So I'm gonna need your help, okay? I need you guys to send me natural hair TikToks. Now, the only thing I don't want to do is like weave. I don't care about doing weave ones. I'm not that good at it. I kind of am enjoying my own hair at the moment. Maybe in a few months I'll change my mind, but I just sort of want to deal with my own hair, grow my own hair, take care of my own hair. And so if you can send me some natural hair TikToks, hopefully in the type 4 category, it doesn't have to be 4C necessarily. Send them, you can send them to Instagram or my TikTok. They're both at Latoya_Ebony. And with that being said, I'm just gonna finish these braids. and gentlemen, my braids are done. My parting is not distinct whatsoever. I parted with my fingers. I kind of, sometimes when I know I just want like a big fro or something, I just don't like having that like straight line, you know what I'm saying? I just like it to be natural, and sometimes I feel like finger parting gives me a better result in that sense. But I've got my little 4 Sealy braids up in here. Shout out to Silly, shout out to Whoopi Goldberg, shout out to the color purple. I actually kind of like this style, I'm not even gonna lie. Like I could put like a little hat on and go. I think it's really cute. I think braids are cute. I just hate putting them in, and I hate taking them out. So the idea of only having 4 is amazing, but I am going to add some perm rods on the ends, mainly because I hate the way my ends look, and I hate braiding them down to like the little nubs. Y'all know what I'm talking about, like braiding it all the way down to the tip, and then I have to use a tail comb just to take it out. Child, I'm not trying to do that. So I've got some perm rods. So the rods that I'm going to use are these really small ones. They're small, they're gray. I think I'm gonna just dampen the ends just a little bit and just wrap. Now I don't have hair wrapping papers, you know how you get when you do like a wet set. I don't have that. I just really hate the way my ends look with braid outs. They're so like, they don't do nothing, they just limp. And so we're going to rectify that hopefully today. So that's it. I'm going to head to bed and then pray that this turns out well. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, and I've taken off my scarf. I'm gonna go ahead and just get right into this. I am excited. Hopefully your girl showed a very viable hack. And let me see. Let's start from the back. So I'm gonna start from the back. Ooh. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil. Here we go. Use a little bit of oil. Wow, I took those braids out in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Typically it takes me 30 minutes to take out my braids. That is definitely a keeper. Less braids working out for me. Now I'm just trying to do like the fluffing part of everything. Whew. I want to keep some definition. Okay, I'll work slow. I will take each section and separate it in half and then see how that looks, and then so on. Move on from there. Okay, so it's getting there. Ooh, it feels really soft. I like this. Okay. I'm just gonna, like, I don't want to lose it all, but I also don't like it looking so piecey, and I have to fill in this gap in the back. Y'all almost seen my little undercover Toya coming in. I actually really like this. I think this is, I'm looking in a mirror right now. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I am happy with it. I'm gonna separate a little bit more probably. You know what, I probably just need to leave it alone. Leave it alone, let it do its thing, and then, you know, it is what it is. I really enjoy doing this. Please, 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 if you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe if you like type 4 natural hair care videos. I also do educational content as well. And send me those TikToks, send me those Instagram reels, send me ideas that you want me to try out at Latoya_Ebony on Instagram or TikTok. I will check those out, sift through, and that will be the video premise of the next one of these that I do. I love y'all. Check out my hairstyles playlist and also check out my wash and go playlist. Mwah!